Hi everyone! So, ready na kami guys. So, nag-apply ako ng lashes. I don't know if you can see it. Nag-apply ako ng lashes for, I think 2 weeks ako nag-off lashes kasi nga may sipon ako. Eh, di ba pag may sipon, makati mata, tiri eyes. So, hindi ako nag-apply ng lashes for 2 weeks. Or maybe a week. Pero, ready na kami.
Mama, can I hold him?
And then, Alba's Taekwondo.
Mom, can I hold him too?
Wait na.
Why?
I don't know, anong gagawin namin after. I need to do groceries kasi wala na kaming, well, yung milk namin konti na lang, wala kaming bread. So, ayun. Pero I don't know if I need to buy din pala soap, body wash.
Mommy,
Yes.
can I hold him? Thank you. It's so heavy. My controller is so heavy. I think I'm live. See if you can look at my head.
Your head, why?
Because I don't have more hair. Away. Why can he move himself?
Yes, it's following your face so that they can see, the camera can see your face. Okay, bye! I'll see you guys later!
Bye. My brother gonna do that?
Hmm?
Are they gonna do that?
This one. This one.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Dito na kami guys sa Taekwondo ni Alba. So, see you guys later na lang. Ay, oh, bongga ng lashes. Oh. Bye! Now. Alba, smile. Pabili kami guys. Nakapag-grocery na. Ito. Na. Ayan. Konti lang.
Hi,
Top
guys.
up groceries.
The controller.
Nuwili siya snacks niya. Crackers daw.
Gigi. I got them. That's good. Thank you. Thank you, Doctor.
on first one.
Okay. Can you help me my boat? Help me my boat. Here.
Where's the metal bit? The metal bit.
My boat. Thank you. I controller. I got. Yeah.
That's enough to snacks, okay? Because we're gonna eat lunch.
Okay. No, mommy, no.
No, it's gonna fall. It's gonna break. We're home na, guys. Kanina mayroong, ano ba? May light sa dashboard ng car ko na about, traction stability. Oo. So, natatakot ako kasi akala ko papagawa na naman. Pero, sabi sa online, i-try daw i-switch off. Wala, ang dumi ng camera. Ang dumi ng lens. Si Alba hinalikan. Yan. I-try daw na i-switch off ang car and then try to... What? Alba, what is it?
Rob.
Why do you do that kasi? Oh. No, here. So, kailangan daw i-switch off and on. So, nag-grocery kami, diba? So, tinry ko i-on and off. pagkadating namin sa grocery. Pero may light pa din siya sa dashboard. Tapos, nung after mag-grocery, syempre pumasok kami, nakapatay yung sasakyan. Pagbalik namin, pag-on ko, nawala na yung ilaw niya. Feeling ko, fault lang siya. Kasi, kaka-MOT ko lang, guys. Last week, ang laki nang nagastos ko dun. So, and I think ano yan eh. Siguro naman kasama yan sa mga chine-check nila. But anyway, we're home. Light is off. So, happy. Wait, check ko lang. Gutom na ako, guys. Meron akong chicken wings, diba? Sa fridge na kailangan lutuin kasi mag-out of date. Mag-expired na yun. So, either adobo. Adobo na lang siguro. Chicken adobo with potatoes.
That's Molly.
That's Molly, yeah.
Can I show that picture was Molly? What? It's Molly. Molly. Why was Molly was trying to...
Mag-ano tayo? Grocery haul.
So when
Ay, pasok na kami, guys. Wait lang.
So guys, hi guys, we're home. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Guys. Hi. Guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi. Hi guys. Look.
Can you hang your jacket up, please?
Can you hug my jacket up too? Please. I don't have a hood. Don't have a hood.
There's the hood.
Okay.
Let's do a quick grocery haul. Food haul. So, crackers ni Alba. Alam mo, nakakalimutan ko laging ikabit yung what do you call it? The mic. Nakalimutan ko lagi ikabit. And this bread or sandwich and toast. Pads. Mango. Tapos ito, maganda to pang snacks, guys. Pang snacks and pang baon sa work. So, chicken skewer siya. Parang makita ba? O, ganyan siya. Maliliit na chicken skewers with sweet chili dip. Dalawa nito. So, either me or David ang kakain yan. Ano pa ba? Salmon. Bumili ko salmon. Ano to? Dalawang slice. Alam mo guys, ang namimiss ko is yung... Ay, naku, nag-melt na ang aking cake. Ang namimiss ko yung salmon belly sa atin. Strawberries. Ito, strawberries. Cucumber. Mini cucumbers. Si Alba, very love niya tong cucumbers.
Mommy, can I pull this? Mommy, so I can get change. Can I get change? I need to go to the pee-pee.
And then, ano ba? Ito, mackerel. Smoked mackerel. So, ano siya sa atin? Hot smoke, sweet cure. Sweet cure. Ano ba to? Tinapa? Tinapa sa atin. Tapos, bumili din ako ng tuna in can. In spring oil. Spring oil? Sunflower oil. Tapos, desserts. Ice cream. Dalawa yung binili ko. Isang parang cornetto style. Yan. And then, ano pa ba? Grapes, seedless grapes. Ayan, healthy living. Some onions. Apples. Ayan, kay Alba to. Apples. And then, ano pa ba? Talong, guys. Talong. Milk. Normally, yung binibili kong milk, mas malaki dito. Kasi mabilis kami sa milk. And tortilla wraps. So, yung wraps is ginagawa ko for easy food, easy meals, for lunch ni Alba, or, yeah, for lunch ni Alba mostly. Wraps with cucumbers and meat, kung ano man yung gusto niya ilagay. Sometimes, parang noon ang nilagay ko ham. Tapos, sauce, mayonnaise, or whatever. Or barbecue sauce pala, barbecue sauce. And then, ayun. Yung nilalagay ko sa ganyan. Sa wraps. So, ayun. Pabalik ko lang to kasi baka matunaw ang ice cream. Sa fridge. Freezer.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling.
And guys, nakaluto na ako ng adobo, chicken adobo. Yan, ayan, nalalagas na siya sa bones. Super lambot na. Tapos nilagyan ko lang siyang potatoes. Para medyo may ano naman, may kasama naman. Hindi lang siya yung chicken lang on its own.
Wait, hi guys. Hi guys.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.